जननी को जन्मने दो, जन्मी को जीने दो। जो जननी है उसको जन्म नहीं लेने देते हो। जननी को जन्म लेने दो, और जिसने जन्म ले लिया उसको जीने दो। जीने दो का मतलब है एवरीथिंग। एजुकेशन है, सिक्योरिटी है, हेल्थ है। जीने के लिए जिन चीज़ों की आवश्यकता है वो सारी की सारी चीज़ें महिलाओं को भी मिलना चाहिए। और नॉट इक्वल। आई एम अगेंस्ट द इक्वल राइट्स ऑफ वुमेन। व्हाट इज इक्वल राइट? भगवान ने, ईश्वर ने महिलाओं को विशेष गुण देकर भेजा है। यू हैव गॉट स्पेशल क्वालिटीज, स्पेशल इनेट क्वालिटीज। और जो हमारे यहाँ पढ़ी लिखी महिलाएं नहीं थी, जो घर में रहती थी, जो चूल्हा फूंकती थी, केवल घर का काम करती थी, उनमें भी वो क्वालिटीज़ थी जो जिसके कारण वो बच्चे को जन्म देना, परिवार चलाना, समाज के लिए ममता लुटाना, सारा काम करना, वो इनेट क्वालिटीज़ जो महिलाओं में है वो डिफरेंट है। इसलिए सी इज़ नॉट इक्वल ओनली, सी इज स्पेशल, नॉट सी, वी आर स्पेशल।
It's a wonderful day and it's a wonderful idea to go on a bike ride on this wonderful day. And nothing could be better than having the presence of Honorable Governor Ma'am with us here to encourage and motivate all of us. Ma'am is a paradigm of all that a woman can be. And she's a constant source of inspiration for all of us ever since she assumed the office of Governor of Goa. She has always reached out, not only to women, to every section of the Goan society, but as women, we can be especially proud that ma'am is here with us in Goa. All that I can say is we are looking forward to this wonderful initiative. This time the North Goa Collectorate has joined hands with Times of India. We want to create awareness about the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao program, which has been running for the past 2 years in North Goa district. Several initiatives are part of that, but I will not describe those here. Through you, through each one of you who will be on the road, on your bikes today, we want to reach out to the larger public and spread the message of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao.
आतां हांगा ओनली वुमन्स बायक रॅली जाल्ली आसा आनी हांगाचे स्पॉन्सरशीप टायम्स ऑफ इंडिया आनी आमचे इन गोवा आसा. तर हांगा खुबशे बायलांनी लेडीज एंड वुमन्सांनी पार्ट घेतलेले आसा. तो आतां आमी थोड्यांक हांगा पळोवया की तांचे कितें ओपिनियन्स आसा ते. एक्सक्यूज मी, कॅन यू प्लीज टेल युअर नेम? Catherine. How you feel?
Oh, it was an awesome thing. I did this first time in my life and I felt like on the moon.
This is the first time you are participating.
Yes, and it was really an awesome thing and it was so nice to see the follow-up behind me coming. It was really out of the world experience. I thank you all for this.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Hi. Okay, so what is your name?
My name is Christina Varela Fernandez, and I'm working. I am working in a government, and bike is my passion. I love to drive the bike. I'm driving when I was just 15 years old. Without my, that was what you call that? My uncle's the first bike. It was there, no, I can't get that Lambretta. So that was the very awesome thing. And being this, it is good. I always take part. Only last year I could not come, but it is really good. And thanks for the organizers and thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Rodriguez.
Okay, and you are from?
I'm from Marga,
You are coming all over from Madgaon here.
from the south.
Okay, that's great. Okay, what is your opinion about this?
Well, I've been taking part for last 3 years, ever since this event has started. And it's so wonderful, it's amazing to see so many ladies taking part. And it's a great event which motivates the women to come out, enjoy their freedom aside from home and their families. And this is a very good opportunity for them to, do something different.
Okay, and what is your opinion about the bike ride?
It's very good, well organized and fantastic. I enjoyed the ride.
Okay, what about
It was an awesome experience seeing all women coming out in all enthusiasm today morning, and Governor greeted us with all good words, so it was a really nice experience.
There is one more, you can see one more lady here with the bullet, and let's see what is her opinion. May I know your name?
My name is Minaz Sheikh, and this relay was really amazing. I enjoyed it and hope to see more relays like this.
On behalf of Goa 24/7, a warm and a pleasant welcome. Well, we have the All Goa Women's Bike Rally right now here at Kampal Panjim. This is the 3rd edition of the bike rally, and the women out here are super excited. You can see them really very excited, all in smiles and in cheers, all set to take on the roads. So I have got all these pretty gorgeous ladies here with me, and I would like them to introduce themselves to each one of you. So can we start with, we are here as a group, we are the Super Mommies of Goa. So we start with our group admin. We have...
Good morning, Goa. I'm Fenice Nazareth, the founder of Super Mommies of Goa. We are Goa's first and only mommy group connecting moms all across Goa. And we are excited to be a part of the Times of India's 3rd edition of the All Women Bike Rally. And we are looking forward to it.
Fenice, can you tell me, as a group admin of Super Mommies of Goa, what has made you come over here and anything striking of this rally? Could you please share with us?
I think it's a fantastic opportunity. You know, I've been looking forward to participate in the Times of India rally for the last 2 years, but I could never, because as a new mom, I had very young kids and I could never make it. But this time, it's even more exciting because we are able to ride together as one team, the Super Mommies of Goa, and it's fantastic because we are all set and charged. It's a great time for us to come together and network as well.
So Goa, you can see the ladies are all charged up. Here we have not just working women, we have the college students, we have the non-working women, we have women from all different sections of the society. And it's really great to see all of them gathered here in big numbers to participate for the All Goa Women's Rally. Well, I would like also one of my friend, Raquel. Well, she's the happening Raquel here. Raquel, could you please share why have you come for the Women's Bike Rally?
I just want to have fun, that's it. I want to have fun here for the rally, that's it.
All right, we have another gorgeous woman out here and she's going to be sharing with us and telling us what is the experience. Ma'am, is this your first time?
It's my first time.
All right, and how do you feel right now?
Well, I'm quite excited. This is my passion of riding, though I don't know geared, but I'll be taking a non-geared. It's quite interesting to see a lot of ladies gathered out over here, the woman empowerment, the woman power, and I request all the ladies of Goa to come forward and support in such rallies. Yeah.
Well, I'm going to be going to another group right now. So we have more ladies all geared up. You can see them all taking beautiful selfies and photographs. Ma'am, could you please share with us what is your experience of the bike rally and are you here for the first time to attend this rally?
Yes. Hello, I'm Pallavi. I've come for the first time. I've heard this from FB and I thought let's give it a chance and let's celebrate Women's Day.
Are you excited and what are you looking forward for this day?
Yeah, I'm very excited and I'm looking forward that more and more people will come, the women will come and it will be a great fun.
Would you like to give a message to the women of Goa?
Yes, women, be brave, be strong, and yes, be a woman, enjoy yourself. Yeah.
Well, the All Goa Women's Bike Rally is all about women empowerment, making every woman feel independent, feel strong. Well, that's what exactly women needs to believe. Believe in themselves, believe that they are special, and I'm sure they have miles to go and all their dreams are definitely going to come true.
जननी को जन्मने दो, जन्मी को जीने दो। जो जननी है उसको जन्म नहीं लेने देते हो। जननी को जन्म लेने दो, और जिसने जन्म ले लिया उसको जीने दो। जीने दो का मतलब है एवरीथिंग। एजुकेशन है, सिक्योरिटी है, हेल्थ है। जीने के लिए जिन चीज़ों की आवश्यकता है वो सारी की सारी चीज़ें महिलाओं को भी मिलना चाहिए। और नॉट इक्वल, आई एम अगेंस्ट द इक्वल राइट्स ऑफ वुमेन। व्हाट इज इक्वल राइट? भगवान ने, ईश्वर ने महिलाओं को विशेष गुण देकर भेजा है। यू हैव गॉट स्पेशल क्वालिटीज, स्पेशल इननेट क्वालिटीज। और जो हमारे यहाँ पढ़ी लिखी महिलाएं नहीं थी, जो घर में रहती थी, जो चूल्हा फूंकती थी, केवल घर का काम करती थी, उनमें भी वो क्वालिटीज़ थी जो जिसके कारण वो बच्चे को जन्म देना, परिवार चलाना, समाज के लिए ममता लुटाना, सारा काम करना, वो इननेट क्वालिटीज़ जो महिलाओं में है वो डिफरेंट है। इसलिए सी इज़ नॉट इक्वल ओनली, सी इज स्पेशल, नॉट सी, वी आर स्पेशल।
It's a wonderful day and it's a wonderful idea to go on a bike ride on this wonderful day. And nothing could be better than having the presence of Honorable Governor Ma'am with us here to encourage and motivate all of us. Ma'am is a paradigm of all that a woman can be. And she's
मी वर्षा चिंत्रे इन गोवावरती. आपल्यासोबत प्रणाली सप्रे म्हणून आहेत. त्यांनी ह्याच्यात भाग घेतलाय बेटी बचाव आणि बेटी बढावमध्ये. हे वुमन्स रॅली आहे आणि आपण जाणून घेऊया त्यांच्याकडून की त्यांच्या ह्याच्याबद्दल काय वाटते. त्यांना 3 मुली असून सुद्धा त्यांनी ह्याच्यात भाग घेतलेले आहेत. आपण जाणूया प्रणाली सप्रेकडून.
मी प्रणाली सप्रे एक बिझनेस वुमन आहे आणि मला जराही खंत होत नाही की मला 3 मुली आहेत. आजच्या युगात मुली आणि मुलगे दोन्ही समान मानले जातात आणि तिन्ही माझ्या मुली अतिशय हुशार आहेत. एक इंजिनियर आहे, शेवटच्या वर्षाला शिकते. दुसरी 11वीत आहे, तिला नेव्हीमध्ये जायचं आहे. आणि छोटी आहे, तिला डॉक्टर व्हायचं आहे. तर मला तिला भरपूर शिकवून त्यांना आयुष्यात पुढे न्यायचं आहे. आणि ह्या गोष्टीची मला एकदम अभिमानाने मी सांगते की मला 3 मुली आहेत. मी अतिशय खुशी आहे.
धन्यवाद. प्रणाली सप्रे कडून आपण जाणून घेतलो आहोत की त्यांच्याकडे 3 मुली असून सुद्धा त्यांनी अगदी उत्साहाने भाग घेतलेला आहे या कार्यक्रमात. आणि नक्कीच बेटी बचाव आणि बेटी बढावमध्ये ते सहभाग झाले आणि त्यांना 3 मुली आहेत. त्याच्याबद्दल धन्यवाद.
The pretty gorgeous women here who are riding the Harley Davidson. Well, in short, I just wanted to introduce yourself and tell me how your ride was on the Harley Davidson and what your experience was for the All Goa Women's Rally.
Well, my name is Sandra Rodriguez, and I've been taking part in this event for last 3 years. It's amazing, and it's such a awesome event to see so many women taking part out of their home, leaving their home and all their responsibilities. This is amazing. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Would you like to introduce yourself and say something to the women of Goa?
Yeah. Myself is Simran Gadekar, and I enjoyed the ride, today's ride, and it was enthusiastic and very much enjoyed. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And we have the last pretty gorgeous woman here. Well, she was also on the Harley Davidson. Yes. Would you like to say and give a message to the women of Goa?
My name is Pooja Rajput, and I ride a Harley Davidson Fat Bob. I've been riding from many years and have a lot of kilometers under my belt. I recently did a solo ride also from Goa, which was covered by Times of India itself. So the message for women is just be there, go out, enjoy yourself, whatever you're riding, either it's a scooty, it's a bike or whatever it is. It's very important for women to come out of the house and be on the road. More the women, the more merrier it is.
I'm Violet Das. I love the day today. What I would like to say is that women, whatever is your passion, go for it. Whatever your age, whatever the time, just go for it.
Keeping in mind the theme of today's event, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao.
My name is Pearl Vaz Fernandez, all the way from Ponda. This was an exciting event. I would say, with regards to the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme, this is a fantastic opportunity for us as moms to feel encouraged and empowered. And with that same kind of feeling and positivity, we could encourage our kids, especially daughters.